Hello everyone, welcome to part 2. If you haven't watched part 1 already, check out the link in the description below. In this video, you will learn how to solve the daisy. So like, subscribe, and enjoy. But first, we must learn about the parts of a cube. So let's get started. These highlighted pieces are called centerpieces. There are 6 centerpieces on a Rubik's Cube. These colored parts are called edge pieces. There are 12 edge pieces on a Rubik's Cube. These colored pieces are called corner pieces. There are 8 corner pieces on a Rubik's Cube. Now that you have finished learning about the parts of a cube, we can finally start learning how to solve the daisy. So let's get started. Solving the daisy is actually extremely easy. You just need to align the white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece. Just like this. Here's footage of me solving the daisy. Congratulations! You have learned how to solve the daisy. Stay tuned for part 3. Goodbye.